My name's Wayne Cramer. I'm the Managing Director of GWE, and we manufacture energy saving control systems for electricity, and we manufacture a range of high volume repetitive orders and also bespoke one-off type orders. So our processors need to be able to cope with all aspects of that type of manufacturing. Since we've had Flowlens operational, I'm now able to spend at least 2 full days a week working on the business rather than in the business. Flowlens has enabled me to let go of a lot of the daily operational tasks within the business. I'm very comfortable now that all my team are performing their tasks in the way that they were designed and on time, and that's enabled me to concentrate more on the strategy and the growth of the business.
My name's Sarah Cramer, I'm Operations Manager at GWE. So since having Flowlens, everything's automatically done on one system, it's all in one place. I've constantly got a queue of people waiting to ask something about where this is or where that is, whereas now it's on Flowlens, it's all in one place. I've not got anybody stood waiting to ask me anything. Orders come in and they're just processed without management knowing, it all just runs through and it's all dead straightforward. I'd definitely say I've saved 1 day a week just answering people's questions about where things are or how they process things, because we had so many different systems and spreadsheets and forms. It was just complicated for people to find where things were, whereas now it's all on Flowlens.